Welcome, Art Agent Specialists, to your second mission for October. Your mission is as follows. Step 1. Apply washes of colour or gesso to your page. Step 2. Stamp all over your page. Step 3. Make marks with fingers or found items. Step 4. Add a focal image or two. Step 5. Drag or scrape paint onto your page. Step 6. Glue fabric fragments. Step 7. Stitch, sew or staple. Step 8. Add metallic accents or highlights. And your suggested colours for your second mission are pear, coral and turquoise. And your suggested words are autumn, serenity, escape, warmth and blessed. And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.